Let's learn how to write recipes in English. This video is for beginners struggling to write in English. Today, let's learn how to write a padampuri recipe. Step 1. Prepare the batter. Firstly, take a bowl and mix 2 cups of wheat flour with some water. Mix it well until it reaches the correct consistency. Stop adding water when the batter is smooth and thick. Step 2. Prepare the bananas. Secondly, take some bananas, peel their skin and dip them into the prepared batter. Step 3. Fry the banana. Take a vessel, add some oil to it and heat it. Then add the battered banana to the oil and fry until it becomes crispy and golden brown. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Once the padampuri is cooked, remove it from the oil and serve hot. It's delicious.